Gold has shaped civilizations, fueled economies, and defined wealth for thousands of years.
But before it becomes a symbol of power, gold begins its journey deep beneath the earth. Today, we take you inside the modern process that turns raw gold into refined perfection. This precious metal is formed over millions of years by intense heat and pressure.
Drilling and blasting break apart the earth to expose gold-bearing ore. Once extracted, the ore is transported for its first stage of processing.
In underground mines, workers operate hundreds of meters below the surface.
These machines move thousands of tons of rock every single day.
Modern gold mining begins with massive open pit and underground operations.
In Part 2, we follow the gold as it enters high-security refineries and undergoes extreme purification.
The raw ore is crushed into smaller fragments to release the gold particles. This step prepares the material for chemical extraction at the refinery.
Every stage is carefully monitored for efficiency and safety. Every shipment is tracked, monitored, and protected at all times.
Once the ore is processed, it is transported under heavy security to specialized gold refineries.
From remote mines, gold begins its journey to high-tech refining facilities. These refineries are among the most secure industrial sites in the world.
Inside the refinery, the ore is ground into a fine powder.
Precision and control are critical during extraction.
At this stage, gold exists only as microscopic particles.
Chemical solutions are then used to separate gold from other minerals. Impurities are burned away, leaving behind nearly pure gold. This is one of the most dangerous stages of the process. Advanced refining methods push purity levels to 99.99%.
Quality control ensures every batch meets strict international standards.
The transformation is nearly complete.
But gold's final form is still yet to come.
Once refined to near perfection, molten gold is poured into precision-engineered molds.
As the metal cools, it begins to take its final shape.
Each bar represents extraordinary value.
Every gold bar is stamped with a unique serial number. Weight, purity, and origin are permanently recorded.
Nothing leaves the refinery without passing strict inspection.
To the world's most secure vaults. This is how gold is made. From deep underground. Around-the-clock surveillance ensures total security. Inside these walls, billions of dollars in value are stored.
Gold is one of the most protected materials on Earth. From here, gold enters the global economy, shipped to banks, manufacturers, and investors worldwide.